Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel, Solely Joe. Today I'm going to show you how to narrow a wide shoulder bag strap or a handbag strap to fit a smaller swivel hook or D-ring. So I'm using a 1/2 inch swivel hook, and this strap, this webbing strap, is about 1.5 inches. So in order to narrow it, I'm going to use a 1/2 inch webbing that will fit through here to attach to my bag or strap. Okay, so I didn't have this webbing in 1/2 inch, so what I did is I cut a 1 inch wide webbing and I used a lighter to seal the edges and round the tip a bit. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold the edge inward to form a triangle, and then we're going to take a needle and thread, and then we're going to stitch it to hold it in place. Just a simple whip stitch will do. Just to hold everything together. Just make sure and secure your thread at the end. Okay, so we've tacked both ends down in a triangle shape. Now we're going to take one of our 1/2 inch strap pieces and place our swivel hook on it. Now we're going to take this. If you want, you can stitch this down just to make sure it stays in place, and then you place it here to the tip of the triangle, covering where you stitched previously. And now we're going to stitch this down in place by stitching around here, making sure to catch on both sides. Okay, and then you repeat the same step to finish the other end, and that will be your strap.
subscribe.